What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a screen protector for the cover screen on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. And we're gonna get right into it because I know you don't want to hear no mumble jumble. You just want to know how to install this. Now they give you all this stuff: a lens and screen cleaning wipe, the screen protector itself, some directions, a squeegee. These even have this hinge film for if you want to put it on your hinge. I really don't care for those. They're kind of a pain to put on. But the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna shut your phone off. If you don't know how to do that, I could show you in a video, but let's turn that off for now. And what we're gonna do is I have a screen protector already on here, but I wanted to try the one from Spigen. So we're gonna go ahead and take that one off. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all this stuff sideways. And we're going to take the cleaning cloth, wipe it down. Very simple. This is a pretty good, easy installation. And I wanted to try this Spigen joint to see. I've been using some of their cases, and this is a very case-friendly screen protector. So you go ahead and wipe it down, and then what you want to do is take your little microfiber cloth and kind of wipe it down again, and then you want to make sure you take your dust removal stickers here and just give it a little, just to get any dust off or anything that's sticking around, to make sure you get everything off the device. Okay, pretty simple. Then you want to take your screen protector here and take off the back, the adhesive on the back. Let me see here, like so. Very simple. And then we're going to just place this on the Z Fold like that, and then you're going to slide up, then slide down. You want to wait like 30 seconds, it says, so make sure you wait the amount of time that's needed for this to stick on there. All right, then after 30 seconds, you're gonna go ahead and just peel this off, remove from here. It tells you right on the thing. Just gonna peel this off. Very easy. Then this comes off. Got some bubbles there. We'll get those out. Very simple. And then you simply just remove the top part like that. And as you can see, pretty perfect installation. This the end here, I had to kind of get a bubble out, but that looks pretty darn good. And the thing I like about this is like it gives you that guide, so it's like a perfect installation. And you could also, this is a very case friendly how do you say it? Case-friendly screen protector. So got some cases here. This is the Spigen Tough Armor, I believe. Yep. So we'll go ahead and put this on to just to kind of see exactly how it fits with the screen protector. And as you can see, it's a perfect fit. I'm gonna go ahead and rip this on for you so you guys can kind of see the screen, how it works with the screen protector. But yeah, you see that? That's a perfect little fit there for the Z Fold 4. All right, the next one I'm going to try is the UAG, or the Urban Armor Gear, just so you guys can get different feel for the cases. Yeah, but this fits perfect, man. You see that? This is a good screen protector. I ain't gonna lie. They kind of did hit it out of the park with this one, because you have no issues. It's perfect. It's a good install. If I could say myself. Let me go ahead and take this off. And then the final one that I wanted to try is just a regular one. It's like it's the strap one that I love. It's my favorite case. The one I use every day, all day. There we go. And you can see, man, that is a perfect installation. Look at that. And everything opens up real solid, no problems. Go right to ESPN, check out the streets. There you go. 12-team playoff. That's good news. You want to do that, boom, you're good, you know? Whatever you need to do, you're good to go. Man, I love this case. Love this case. Look at this. Yes, sir. But I do like this screen protector, man. That is a really, really good screen protector. That is the Spigen GlasTR or Easy Fit, whatever you want to call it. But that's how you do it. Very simple. And like I said, if you want to put that hinge film, you can. But hey, hit that like button. Subscribe. Love that sound. That's right. Hit that notification bell so you know when videos like this are coming your way. That's gonna do it, man. I'm Android Stud. I do like the screen protector. I think it's gonna protect the device really, really good on the cover screen, which is great. So I love it. Peace out, yo. I'm out.